Unit 1A, Adeline Apartments. Just doing a water test outside on the footpath. Water's cascading down through a control joint, leaking into the car park. Just causing some problems on one of the main structural beams. Concrete spoiling. There's some pretty severe damage to the soffit of the beam. That joint really needs to be sealed from the top. The water from the drain discharges down that down pipe into the drainage in the car park. The water is just constantly running through the control joint. And some previous repairs that were completed. There's the water cascading down through the control joint, causing concrete spoiling on the beam. The main leak into Unit 1A is from the defective cavity flashing to the wall above the car park. Water's penetrating that brickwork, can't drain out that wall. It's causing problems inside. And there's a small section of wall around the corner that also requires cavity flashing. The main problem is that control joint to the top, running right alongside the building, needs to be waterproofed.